All right, so for today's work, you're really mostly just graphing and communicating your results from yesterday's investigation. So I provided this graph. Today I already gave the labels for your axes. So on the x-axis is the number of resistors that you have in your series circuit. Remember that all of those resistors had the same resistance of 10 ohms. And then on the y-axis we have this current measured in amperes, so I put that in parentheses there, our capital A for amps. Now, I already provided this one data point for what you all already measured last week with when you had one 10 ohm resistor connected to a 9-volt battery. The current that you measured was 0.9 amps. And I've just left space for you to sort of complete this table with the data that you collected yesterday. So you measured the current running through two resistors in series, three 10 ohm resistors in series, and then four 10 ohm resistors in series. So if my data looked something um, like this. I'm not sure this is just sample data. It certainly might not look like yours, but maybe I measured zero point 0.8 amps at two resistors, zero point 0.4 amps at three resistors, and then 0.6 amps for four resistors. And then I would just ask that you connect those with line segments to show some kind of trend, or if there is no trend, then your line won't really show a whole lot, but that's okay because that helps strengthen your claim that maybe there is no relationship between the number of resistors that we have in this series circuit and the amount of current running through that circuit. And then the last question today just really asks you to explain what you're seeing here. So like what trend does this data show you? Um, it's fair to say that there was no trend if you didn't see a trend, but if there was, then I gave these two sort of starters for your thoughts on that for your presentation of your findings. Um, I would ask maybe that you include a little more explanation after this. So this is just something to start, maybe how you communicate your ideas, just like an as the number of resistors in series increases, the current blanks, and then maybe you can use your knowledge of resistance and current that we're still building to support whatever explanation and findings that you had.